Hello children, rational and irrational numbers. In today's class, we shall see how to arrange the surds or irrational numbers in ascending order. Once you know ascending order, obviously you can work out for the descending order, right? First question I want to discuss here is under root 2, cube root of 5 and fourth root of 7. These three surds we have to arrange in ascending orders. Now, for this we need to recall that when we have studied comparison of surds, we have studied that we can compare the surds only when their orders are same. If you want to revise, I'll put the link here. I'll share the link with you in the description box, or you can go in playlist and you can search also, or you can check from your notebook also as you have completed your notebooks, right? So what is the order of this surd? 2. Order of this surd? 3. And order of this surd is 4. So directly we cannot compare no matter what the numbers inside are. So we will be first converting them into the surds of the same order. And in order to have all these three surds converted into the surds with same order, we need to find their LCM. So that is the only way you can make them same number. So find the LCM of all the three surds order. Here 2, 3 and 4. So what is the LCM of 2, 3 and 4? It is 12. Again, one more thing I want to bring to your notice, that some of you when are sharing the written work with me, very wrong way you write this. See, look at the size of this digit 5 and look at the size of this digit 3. This 3 is comparatively much smaller than 5 in order to make us understand that 3 is order, right? Some of you write it like this way. I'll show you. 3 root 5. So we don't understand whether 3 is a rational number multiplying to under root 5 or 3 is the order of this. So if you write it in this way, it will be considered 3 is a rational number, under root 5 is an irrational number, and through 3 root 5 is a surd. And if you write it like this way, above this radical sign to indicate that this is the order, then only it will be read out as cube root of 5. Please note this difference. So LCM is 12. Now what we will have to do, that square root of 2, we will convert it with a surd of order 12, right? I repeat again, you can see the earlier class video to understand. I'll give you another easy method here. See, write it like this way. What is the order here? 2. Okay. In that previous class when I have explained it to you with the help of indices. Here I am giving you the shortcut. And this shortcut you will understand only when indices part is clear to you. So how to make 2 12? Of course by multiplying to 6. So inside the number should also be raised with the power 6. Okay. I have already explained it in detail, so I will not go again in the details. So order is 12 and you need to find the power of 2. 2 raised to 6 is equal to what? 64. Second one, second surd is cube root of 5. So 3. In order to make 3, multiplied by what? 4. So 5 would also be raised as a power 4. So 12th root of 5 raised to 4. 5 raised to 4 is what? 625. Next number, 4th root of 7. So 4 multiplied by 3 and 7 also raised to 3. So 12th root of 7 raised to 3 is what? 343. Now all these three surds have got the same order, so very easily the radicand can be compared. Ascending order we want, so smallest first. That is 12th root of 64. Okay, this is smaller than 12th root of 343, and they both are smaller than 12th root of 625. Clear? The comparison is clear. Here the comparison was not possible because orders were different. We converted them with the same order, and now ascending order is 64, 343, 625. But this is not our answer. Our final answer will be the original numbers given over here. So this 12th root of 64 represents what? Under root 2. Okay. 12th root of 343, what it is for? 4th root of 7. And which is the largest number here? Cube root of 5. This is the ascending order of the surds. Look at this question now. 4 under root 3, 2 root 27, 5 and root 75. What we have to do? We have to arrange these surds in the ascending order. To arrange in ascending order. Then again observe, here order isn't a problem. Okay. So how will you arrange them into the ascending order? There are two ways. Either you square each surd. Okay. So that you will get simply the whole numbers and you can compare. Or second way is convert each of this mixed surd and this number also into a pure surd. Okay, so I will show you by the second method. First I have taken 4 under root 3. 4 is a rational factor here. Okay, so how do I convert 4 root 3 into a mixed surd? Mixed surd, pure surd, knowledge you all have. Okay, 4, which is out of the radical sign, I am sending it into the radical sign. Order of this radical here is 2. So I have to square 4 into 3. Do you understand? When we are converting a pure surd into mixed surd, we try to find out a perfect square factor, right? Which comes out of the radical sign. Same has happened here. Now I want to send this number, rational number, inside. So when it goes inside the radical sign, what it will be? 4 square. It is as simple as square root of 4 square is 4. We haven't changed the number. 4 square is what, children? 16. 16 3s are what? 48. So we have converted into a pure surd. 4 root 3 is equal to under root 48. Second, 2 root 27. Same procedure. Take 2 inside the radical sign. So what it will be? 2 square into 27. 2 square is what? 4. Okay. So 7 4s are 28. 2 4 2s are 8. 10. 108. Next one, 5. 5 is a rational number, right? So how would you express in the radical sign? Under root 5 square. Under root 5 square, that is what? Under root 25. And next number, root 75, already in the form of pure surd as we wanted over here, right? So what is the ascending order? That let us work out. Our numbers are 48, 108, 25, 75. So smallest number is under root 25. Next greater number, under root 48. Next to that you go for 75. And lastly we write it as 108. So what is the actual number representing root 25 was 5. 5 is the smallest number here. Under root 48 will be what? 4 root 3. Root 75 as given as a question. Root 108 is what? 2 root 27. I hope this is clear to you. Okay.